pilings wet with the reaver spray, holding the tide through the light of the day. White cedar timber and the rusted iron bend, white cedar timber and the rusted iron bend, building a path for the deep water's friend, building a path for the deep water's friend. Drive the spike till the head is flat. Hey, let the water roar, we don't mind that hole. Measuring the moon by the tide mark line, hammer and hemp till the timbers align. Hammer and hemp till the timbers align. Rope in the hand and the salt on the lip, rope for the frame and a steady-handed grip. The dock is a spine for the belly of the bay, the dock is a spine for the belly of the bay, holding the timber and the rot far away, holding the timber and the rot far away. Drive the spike till the head is flat. Hey, let the water roar, we don't mind that hole. Measuring the moon by the tide mark line, hammer and hemp till the timbers align. Hammer and hemp till the timbers align. Finish the frame, let the tide roll in. Hard work is over, let the rest begin. Done in reaver. The water where the old timber stands, we're building the future with our calloused hands. From the Revere sands to the deep blue sea, a skeleton of oak for the world to see. A skeleton of oak for the world to see. Measure the tide and we mark the line. Measure the tide and we mark the line. Everything's coming together in time. Raise up the dock, let the cedar ring out. That's what the work and the labor's about. From the Irish coast to the Spanish beat, we're bringing the timber and the waves to meet. Heave away, hollow waves to meet. Heave away, hollow away, watch it set. The finest dock that you've seen yet. The finest dock that you've seen yet. Nailed to the plank and the bolts to the frame, every dock that we build has a spirit and name. No plastic or wire, just the heart of the wood. No plastic or wire, just the heart of the wood. Built by the craftsmen to stay where it stood. From the morning sun to the evening light. From the morning sun to the evening light. We're building a fortress to last through the night. Built to last. River Massaceres, the water is ready for you. Water is ready for you. Get gone now, the work is done.